They'll be closing in a moment. Thank you. As you board, please continue moving across your car to make room for everyone. Please offer available seating to those needing special assistance. If you're standing, please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the doors. The monorail will depart momentarily. Thank you. Doors. They will be closing in a moment. Thank you. Please continue moving across your car and make room for everyone. If you're standing, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors. The monorail will depart momentarily. Thank you. Doors. Por favor, manténganse alejados de las puertas. We are now stopping at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, a Victorian-style hotel offering the modern conveniences of a full-service spa and health club. Please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely. This is Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. Our next stop is the Magic Kingdom, with continuing service to Disney's Contemporary Resort and the Transportation and Ticket Center. Please remember to collect your belongings and take young children by the hand. As you exit, please lower your head and watch your step. Thank you. When boarding, please move all the way across your car to make room for everyone. Kindly offer available seating to those needing special assistance. If you're standing, please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the doors. They'll be closing in a moment. To those guests who just joined us, welcome. Our next stop is the Magic Kingdom. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Approaching our station at the entrance of Main Street, USA, gateway to the 6 themed lands of the Magic Kingdom. Smoking is not permitted in Magic Kingdom, except in the designated area outside the park entrance. If you are exiting, please hold on to the handrails and stand clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely and the doors open. For those of you remaining on board, our next stop will be Disney's Contemporary Resort, with continual service to the Transportation and Ticket Center and Disney's Polynesian Resort. If you're traveling to any other Walt Disney World Resort hotel, buses and watercraft depart from this station. If you are traveling to Epcot, please remain on board. You'll need to change monorail just 2 stops away at the Transportation and Ticket Center. Please remember to collect your belongings and take young children by the hand. As you exit, please lower your hand. Please remember